Hi everyone, I hope you're all excited for your scuba dives. First, I will introduce the dive equipment and then explain how to wear and use it. We'll start with the dive mask. We wear this on our face to help us see clearly underwater. Next, we have the cylinder, which contains the air we breathe. The BCD, buoyancy control device, helps us control our buoyancy in the water. The regulator is what we use to breathe, and the pressure gauge shows the quantity of air in the cylinder. The depth gauge indicates the depth at which we are diving. Fins are used to move easily in the water, and the wetsuit keeps us warm and acts as protective gear.
Now, let's talk about wearing the dive mask. After putting it on, remember not to breathe through your nose. Instead, breathe only through your mouth. If you try to breathe in with your nose, you won't get any air since the mask covers it. Breathing out through the mask is fine, but it can create fog and affect visibility. Additionally, if you exhale through the mask underwater, it may get flooded. Therefore, it's best to forget about using our noses and only use our mouths.
Next, let's see how to properly hold the regulator in our mouth and breathe with it. The mouthpiece is where we place our mouth, and the biting area is where we bite down with our teeth and seal it with our lips. Let's review the steps. Open your mouth saying ah, bite down on the biting area saying ee, and seal the mouthpiece with your lips saying ooh. Let's review the steps. Open your mouth saying ah, bite down on the biting area saying ee, and seal the mouthpiece with your lips saying ooh. Always remember to keep your lips sealed, or water may enter while you're trying to inhale or exhale. Remember to always keep the regulator in your mouth and never let go of it.
Another important aspect is equalizing the pressure in your ears. When going underwater, you may experience slight pain and irritation due to pressure. To reduce the effects, we perform a process called equalization. It's a simple method I'll show you. Pinch your nose, take a deep breath through your mouth, and blow into your nose without letting the air out. You should feel a sensation in your ears while doing this. If you're underwater and feeling pain, wearing a mask and regulator, pinch your nose through the mask, take a deep breath through the regulator, and blow into your nose to equalize the pressure in your ears. Lastly, underwater communication relies on hand signals since we can't communicate through sound. I'll show you 4 basic hand signals. This gesture means go up. This one means go down. This indicates not okay. And this signifies okay. The okay sign is both a question and an answer. The diver accompanying you will ask if you're okay, and you should respond with okay or not okay.
Medical conditions. You should not dive if you have certain medical conditions, such as heart disease, lung disease, or a collapsed lung. You should also avoid diving if you have a history of head injury, back problems, or recurrent ear problems. Most importantly, if you are unhealthy, don't do the dive. Your health is more important than your fun. Remember to be respectful towards marine life. Please refrain from disturbing or destroying corals and marine organisms. That's it. Thank you, and have a great dive.